So Rob here at the Doctor's Toy Store. I got a brand new Vivace heading out to Dr. Cambiz up in Virginia, a famous urologist who does a lot of liposuction and a lot of other surgery. So I'm opening it up here just to make sure everything's in the box. This is brand new 2022, which we have brand new at the Doctor's Toy Store. So this box here comes with supplies. This has the handpiece and the foot pedal, and this is the holder for the handpiece. You get your instructions right here. Then inside the box, got your brand new Vivace. And this one here is a 2022, and it comes with the tips as well. So this one's heading to Virginia. Call and get yours today. It's an $8 billion business, and it'll be a brand new funnel for your income in your practice. And it's robotic microneedling, RF, and it's one of the hottest sellers there is, called the Doctor's Toy Store. And get your deal today. It includes training and a 1-year warranty. 877-DRS Toys. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.